This is one of the simplest and cheapest pasta dishes that you can make. Spaghetti aglio e olio, or to me, it's garlic and olive oil. But it's so simple and delicious that it's ranked in the top 10 pasta dishes in the world. So let's get on with it. So this really is one of the simplest pasta dishes you can ever put together. It can be done in 10 or 15 minutes and it's so simple to do. So let's get going. I'm going to take 3 cloves of garlic. Now I've peeled these, so I'm just going to thinly slice them. I've got some fresh parsley, so I'm just going to bunch this up and chop this finely. So that's it really. That's all the ingredients that go into this dish. I've got some spaghetti. You can use any pasta of your choice. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but normal olive oil is fine as well, it's just as delicious. I've got some salt, the garlic, if you prefer more garlic, put more garlic in. It's absolutely delicious how the garlic infuses through the pasta. And then the parsley really finishes it off with a kind of oaky, earthy taste. So let's get cooking. So to begin with, I'm going to put some water in a pan, just enough to cook your pasta. I'm going to put quite a generous amount of salt into the water. We're going to bring this to the boil, and then we're going to add the pasta when it's boiling. So there we go, the water's at the boil. I'm going to put the pasta in now. So just drop the pasta in, and then we just coax it down while the pasta gets soft, just so it's all submerged. Make sure it doesn't stick together. There we go. So we're going to cook this for just shy of the packet instructions, around about 8 minutes. So we'll get this put on the hob. Okay, so we'll start with the sauce and get your oil in the pan. Now, this is quite a generous amount of olive oil. To be fair, this is what makes the dish. So we'll get your oil warmed up. So it's about a medium heat, about 5 out of 10. And we're just going to let the oil warm up in the pan. And then we'll put the garlic in. Now, we just want to let the garlic baste in the oil. It's going to release its flavours as it gets hot. You do not want to burn the garlic. You want to take it to the point just before it starts going brown. That way it's released a lot of its flavour into the oil. But the important bit here is not to turn it up too high. If you turn it up too high, you're going to burn the garlic and you're going to give it a bitter taste. So keep it on a medium heat, just to let the garlic infuse its flavours out. There's no better smell of garlic and olive oil together. Check the pasta. Just keep stirring it from time to time. As you can see, the garlic is just starting to fry away. And you don't want to burn it, so keep it moving around. So I'm just starting to see the garlic turn its colour, going slightly brown. That's the point where you want it to stop cooking. So you take some of your pasta water and straight in. That stops the garlic from burning now. So this is now going to emulsify into your sauce. Put another one in there. So as the water in the pan reduces down, it's going to emulsify down the water as we salted it before. This means you don't have to add any extra salt. And the starches in the water are going to form a beautiful, silky, smooth sauce, which is going to coat all of your spaghetti. So we're going to test the spaghetti as we are. Now it's nearly there. It's still a little bit tough, but we don't want it to go completely soft. We want to keep the al dente, and we're going to cook the rest in the pan. So the final bit of absorption from the spaghetti takes in the beautiful flavours. I think it's about 30 more seconds there. Now because the water's in the pan, it's not burning the garlic. The actual garlic is just now flesh. It's released most of its flavours into this oil. You can drag the spoon through the pan. It leaves a trail behind the spoon, which shows you it's thickening it. So that's it for the spaghetti. That's nearly done. So what I want to do is I'm going to take the spaghetti out and put it straight in the pan. So we'll leave the water there because we might need a little bit more if it gets too dry. And we're just going to mix this round. Coat the spaghetti in the lovely olive oil and garlic infused sauce. The spaghetti is glistening now. As you can see, it's took on a lot of this sauce. It's coated the spaghetti. Now this final stage only takes a minute or two. And what it's going to do is finish the spaghetti off in the pan. We can add the parsley now. So there we go. We'll have one final taste of the spaghetti. Oh. Perfect. That is done. Simple as that. So let's dish it up. That is delicious. Whilst you think the garlic would be really strong, it isn't. It's really subtly infused with all the olive oil. The salt comes from the pasta water, but if you prefer more salt, just add some more. You could put black pepper on this, some chilli flakes. So give it a go. It's such a quick and simple meal, very inexpensive to make, super quick, and absolutely delicious. Till the next one.